Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to change screen mode in Broken Arrow. So as you guys see, I'm already in the main menu. I'm going to left click on the settings, then at the graphics, just go down to the screen mode in the graphics area, and you can switch between full screen window, full screen or window modes. I will pick full screen, click apply, and then once it will load, just click back, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.